looking cute as can be.
Princess!
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
There's something very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Just look at my branches, I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a
I
drink.
don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be
My
nice.
mother, right?
Charge you a drink and drink.
That's right, okay.
Don't need no glass and no ice.
I can't.
Don't need no twist of lime. And now it's supper time. Relax, doll. It's easier that way. Join your friends. Mush them to the dentist. They're already inside. Oh, no!
Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. No.
Oh, Audrey, don't die on me. Please, please don't die. I need you. Please, please don't die.
No. Friends is such a strange thing. That Oren and Mr. Muslik were already inside.
True. I did it. I fed them to me.
Mr. Ming is so big and strong. And you're so famous.
It was a terrible thing, Audrey, but not for you.